it's Karen here again to show you the finishing move of our weeks-long dance. The dance that we have been doing this week is the cha-cha-cha, and it is not an easy dance. And all the steps that I've given you, I have challenged you. So I didn't want to give it too easy, so I made it a little bit complicated, but I'm sure with all the practice at home, you will all be amazing. Make sure though you show your mum and your dad your dancing and get them up and get them involved as well. Get them to do the nice cha-cha hips. I want to see all the videos, so make sure you send your videos in with all your moves. You can add in your own shimmies, your own circle of the hips. You just be you. Dancing is supposed to get you up and enjoy the music. So, I mean, who doesn't love dancing? So what we're going to do today is we're going to do a little recap from what we've done for the whole week, and then we're going to add a finishing touch, and then we're going to try it to music. So from the very beginning, what is important? Posture. So we want to stand up tall, shoulders down. Yeah, so feel like you're pushing your shoulders down towards the ground. No shoulders up and no curved spines. Stretch up. So from the very beginning, from the top, we're going to go nice and slow. Here we go. Step, step. Cha-cha-cha, keeping the posture nice and tall. Very nice. One. Side. So we've 4 of these. Now we step back on the right leg. Back. Remember, cha-cha has super straight legs all the time. So when we step back, we're going to straighten that leg. Very good. Cha-cha-cha. Now this is a little bit more relaxed. We can take a breather, enjoy the music. Very good. Now we have strong hips forward. Boom, boom. So loads of attitude. Forward. Back. Very good. Now we drop down, head, head. Perfecto. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do our New York section. Across, cha-cha-cha. Across, cha-cha-cha. Across, cha-cha-cha. Across, cha-cha-cha. Now what we're doing is our spin. So spin, cha-cha-cha. Turn around. If you get dizzy, don't worry, so do I. Cha-cha-cha. Turn. Cha-cha-cha. Now what we have is our Cuban breaks. It's a little bit fast to music, but keep practicing and I'm sure you'll be fine. Cross, cross, double, single, 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 stop, hip, hip. Okay, very good. So now you'll all be very happy to know you only have one more small teeny weeny section left and then you're done. So we're going to start with feet together and we do strong hips. Hip, hip, back, back. So now I want you to be moving the arms, moving them whichever way you want. You can stretch them up to the side, whatever you want, once we're doing the same steps. So the steps need to stay the same, but the arms can move. So we have 2 box steps, exactly like this. And now we're going to do reach forward, pushing up, stretching down, pushing up. Use the arms, down, down, and now we go back into our time step, which I'm sure you'll remember from day 1. It is step, step, use the arms and the hips, cha-cha-cha. Very good, cha-cha, stand up tall. Very nice, back, cha-cha-cha, and basic, cha-cha-cha. We're going to take a spin, and I want, boom, to hit a nice pose. So whatever you want, if it's a point, if it's arm up, if it's arm on our head, hip, you make your own decisions. I want to see loads of different poses. And remember, big smile. So you can tell all your friends, I've just learned a cha-cha-cha. So anytime you watch Dancing with the Stars and you see a cha-cha, you can say, I know how to do that. Now I think it's time that we dance it to music. So who's ready? Whew. Let's go. Here we go, to music.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop. And under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine. So just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, dance, dance. Ooh,
and that is it. You have learned how to dance the cha-cha-cha. I had so much fun doing that dance, and I hope you had fun too. Bye-bye, have a great day.